Yeah, so the students, in this video we will be solving the last two questions from this topic, circles, right? I recommend you to kindly watch the previous videos so that you have good hold or good grip on what we are discussing now. So please pay rapt attention. So you may see that this question is from complex numbers. Yes, majority of it is from complex numbers, but I think there is some portion of it from circles point of view also. Let us see what is that. So z belongs to c is a complex number, right? So he's telling first part, let us take mod z minus 6 iota divided by mod z minus 2 iota is equals to 1. Acha, mod of z1 by z2 we can write it as mod z1 by mod z2. Okay, we can write like that. Now we can cross multiply here. Mod z minus 6 iota is equals to mod z minus 2 iota. Acha, now we can think of it in this way. Z is a complex number which is equidistant. Acha, what does mod z1 minus z2 mean? It means distance of z1 from z2, right? Distance between z1 and z2 we can say. So distance of z from 6 iota and distance of z from 2 iota is same. That means something like this. 6 iota means it is 0, 6. It is a point on the y-axis, and 2 iota means 0, 2. So z is a point which is equidistant from these 2 points. So it should be perpendicular bisector, right? So this point should be 0, 4. Z can lie anywhere on this line, correct? No? Since it is perpendicular bisector, but now this is a line parallel to x-axis. So the equation of that should be y equals to 4. Okay, that means if I solve the first part, I am getting this. And what about the second part? Second part, if I had 1 on the right hand side, then I could have thought of something like that, but we have 3 by 5 on the right hand side, so we will see what can be done. So let me cross multiply. We can write it as 5 times mod of z minus 8 plus 2 iota, and that should be equals to 3 times mod of z plus 2 iota. Okay, so what do we get? Now I think we have to replace z with x plus iota y, and we will solve. So what do we get? So we can write this as 5 times x minus 8 plus iota times y plus 2. Think about it. That's what we'll get on the left hand side, and the right hand side will become x plus iota times y plus 2. Now take the magnitude of this. So we get under root of x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Acha, under root a plus ib, not under root a plus ib. Magnitude of a plus ib should be square root of a square plus b square, right? I hope you know this. So we get here 3 times under root x square plus y plus 2 whole square. Now let us square on both sides. So we get 25 times x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equals to 9 times x square plus y plus 2 whole square. I think this equation represents a circle. That's right. This equation definitely represents a circle because coefficient of x square and y square will be equal. So we get 25 times x square plus 25 times y square here, and from here we get 9 times x square plus 9 times y square. 25 minus 9 is 16 times x square plus 16 times y square, and there is no xy term. So this standard curve will represent a circle for sure. Yes. But here what is he asking is then magnitude of z belongs to s. S is this set. अच्छा, mod z का स्क्वायर पूछ रहा है, मतलब z का वैल्यूज निकालना है. तो z तो ये एंड z इसको और इसको सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, राइट? इसको भी सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, इसको भी सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. सो z शुड सेटिस्फाई बोथ दैट. दैट मीन्स y शुड बी 4. बिकॉज if y is not equals to 4, then this equation is not satisfied. So we can do one thing. Instead of writing this as circle, we can simply input the value of y equals to 4 in this equation. That saves our time. So we can write this as x minus whole square plus 8 whole square plus y is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36. And here again 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36. So we get, if I expand this, we get 25 times x square plus 64 minus 16x plus 36 is equals to 9x square plus 9 into 36. So let us bring all the terms to the left hand side. 25x square minus 9x square is 16x square. And we have 25 into minus 16x. Okay, and then we have 64 plus 36 is 100. So we have 25 into 100 on the left hand side minus 36 into 9, right? So now what can be taken common? Can we take 16 common throughout? Is that possible? Okay, so this will be 2500, and 36 into 9 should be 9 6 54, 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 5 is 324. So 2500 minus 324, 10 minus 4 is 6. Yeah, think. Yeah, so we have 2176. Is it divisible by 16? Yeah, is it divisible? Okay, so we have 16x square minus 25 into 16x plus here we have 2176. Yeah, so is 216 divisible by 16? So we'll do one thing, we'll just check. 16 1, yeah, 16 3. Yeah, I think this is divisible. So we get 136. Okay, fine. So if I take 16 common, x square minus 25x plus, I think we have 136 here. So therefore x square minus 25x plus 136 equals to 0. Factors क्या हो सकते हैं? 13 into 12, I guess. 13 into 12. Am I right? So now we'll write x as minus b plus or minus under root b square. That should be 625 minus 4 into 136. 136 into 4. What will that be? 4 3 is 12. To 14. Should be 544, I guess. Yeah, or 625, 4 3 12, 14. Yeah, 625 minus 544. Yeah, so this should be 25 plus or minus root 81, I think. This is root 81. 5 minus 4. Yeah, it should be root 81. So that should be 9. So x is 25 plus 9 is 34 by 2, 17, or 25 minus 9 is, I think, 16 by 2 is 8. So that means z should be x plus iota y. 17 plus y is, I think, 4. So we can write 17 plus 4 iota, or z could be 8 plus 4 iota. So what is he asking? So summation of magnitude of z square. So sigma mod z square will be 17 under root of 17 square plus 4 square plus under root 8 square plus 4 square whole square. So this should be 17 square should be 289 plus 16 plus this should be 64 plus 16. So this should be is it ठीक है भाई, अच्छी बात है. Now we'll see units digit we will count. 6 plus 4 is 10. Units digit is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. Units digit should be 5. So I think the answer should be 385. Right? That's it. Let us now solve the next question, dear students. Probably the last question. The last question says, let a circle of radius 4 pass through the origin. Find the points A, B, where A and B are real parameters and AB is not equal to 0. That means neither A nor B is 0. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle OAB is a circle of radius. I think this should be a simple question. So there is a circle whose radius is 4. Okay. And it passes through the origin. That is also fine. The points, okay. It passes through the origin and these points A and B, right? Something like this. So circle is something like this. This point is A minus root 3A comma 0 and this point is B 0 comma minus root 2B. Yeah. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle OAB. Fine. So here I think, see, if I join this chord AB and AB is a chord which is subtending an angle 90 degrees at on the circumference of the triangle. That means AB are the end points of diameter. Perfect. That means, so once we have understood that, so AB are the end points of the diameter. Yeah, and the radius of the circle is 4. That means here we will take the midpoint of this. Midpoint of this will be minus root 3 by 2 A comma minus root 2 B by 2. Right? The distance between OM should be equals to 4. Right? OM equals to 4. That's it. So square on both sides. OM square is 16. So what will I get? So 0 minus of minus that. So it should be root 3 by 2A whole square plus 0 minus of minus that. So it should be root 2 by 2B whole square. That should be equals to 16. So we get 3 by 4A square plus this should be 1 by root 2. So it should be B square by 2. That should be equal to 16. So we get 3A square plus 2B square divided by 4. So it should be equal to 64. Right? That is one thing. So he needs the locus of the centroid of triangle OAB. Right? Yeah, so we'll do one thing. Triangle OAB. We'll take the centroid as GH comma K. So can we say G is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 2. So 0 plus 0 minus root 3A. So we get minus root 3A by 3. And K is equals to minus root 2B divided by 3. That's it very simple from here. We get the values of a and b. We'll just input these values in this equation, then we'll get the required locus. So 3 into a square should be 9 h square divided by 3. B square should be 9 k square divided by 2, and that should be equals to 64. So that's it, dear students. 9 times h square plus k square is equals to 64. Therefore, h square plus k square is equals to 64 by 9. Or the required locus is x square plus y square is 64 divided by 9. So what is he asking here? Locus of the center of the triangle. Acha, a circle whose radius. He is asking us to find the radius. So radius should be under root of 64 by 9, which is 8 divided by 3. So that's it, dear students. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next one.